Problems, problems, problems. Life may be full of problems, but each and every problem give us huge opportunity to shine. Profit from it. This training institute was born out of problems. Decade back, I was sad, I was worried, I could not understand where I am doing wrong, why I am not able to outperform, why my portfolio is not shining, what I can do to change my future. The story started from problems, a slow beginning of the new journey, entering into a new unknown territory. We started learning our failures. We started learning successful investors. We started learning, understanding industries. We started learning India. We started learning companies. We started learning behavior and took huge time. It started from the small house meetings where we friends used to get together and discuss these behaviors, discuss growth of industry, and discuss behavior of companies. Small chattings started to convert into big events of our cities, which we used to do annually. The same annual result update meet flourished to nearby cities. It went to whole Gujarat. It was the time where we used to meet every year and discuss these industries, companies, strategies. Family was growing, everybody was learning. Went to western zone of India, later went to North India. Education spread to East India, it spread to South India, and slow by slow spread its wings to whole world. It shows the inner strength, inner voice of each and every individual investors that if we decide to learn, we are going to learn, we are going to search the different ways to learn, to shine, to upgrade ourselves. We used to meet our students once a year in their cities, 17 cities every year. It was a wonderful time. We used to enjoy that get together. Yes, we used to enjoy that discussion. There was a huge energy when we all were getting together once a year. Then came another villain, Corona. Again, same sad story. Sports people were sad, sitting at their home. Industrialists were sad, sitting at their home. What we will do further? How will we meet to all those investors whom we were meeting every year, cheering each other, transforming energy with each other? Problems are the part of our life. Sports people search their own way to do regular exercises. They do not have excuses. Business people, industrialists, they search their own way to move ahead. They do not have excuses. 90% of people always focus on problems. Just 10% people always say, give me problem because I have solution to each problem. They always focused on solutions, and this is the reason why they become successful. Your family profit from it. Started its online education. Yes, there were challenges We were not able to meet each other. We were not able to greet each other. We were not able to cheer each other. But Corona can't stop us to transform the energy, to transform the love towards education, and we are going to meet even this year online. Last year we met around 17 cities. This year, despite all the problems, we have planned for 43 cities around the country. Till now, since several years, we were meeting live each other. Now, we are going to meet online with each other. Till now, we were learning even through workshops, meeting 3 full day live. Now we are meeting with each other with the same workshops, with more energy, 11 weeks online. System have transformed, type have transformed, but yes, we are going to move ahead. We are going to learn, we are going to get the future. By God's grace, profit from it is having very wonderful family of students. Vibrant student, brilliant student. Due to all of these vibrant students, your family is growing. Initially, when we were meeting live for 3 days, after the completion of 3-day workshop, we used to go back to our own cities, you do practice, and we met again next year. During that time, you were practicing all those things which you have learned, but you were not able to revise. That was the hard, that was the dark part of meeting live, because we can't meet live all the time. But the new thing which we have upgraded in online education, you are shining more because you are able to revise each and every chapter. That's the beautiful thing of education, which even I was not aware of it. Yes. So let me announce one more beautiful and extraordinary steps for all of our students. Till now, you learnt live, then you have upgraded toward online sessions. Now, you are going to have an app. From that app, you will able to get updated frequently. Whenever results will get announced, you will get the notification of new announced result. You will get notifications of new learnings, new strategies. So this is the new type of touch. This app will tell you till what chapter you have reached. This app will remind you how much portion is left for this week education. This app will be interactive with you so that we can learn more. You will be able to learn from the 3 different ways simultaneously on app, interactively from your mobile, from your laptop or PC. As during learning we need big screen, while during exercises we used to use several formulas, so computer or laptop access will be needed. So the new site profitfromit.in would help you in this way, and you can link the same to your smart TV and can sit comfortably in your drawing room and can learn. So now your profit from it, your own, is available at 3 different devices. This is the new type of learning. Hook on it. Just go to the Play Store, download the app, create your sign up. The same sign in will be used for profit from it .in as well as your TV login. If you are existing student, you can call to our team and activate your learnings. Yes, we are on our promise day by day in every way. We all are getting better and better. As this is new thing, we will need feedback from all of you. Many of you have been in our family since more than decade. We need your feedbacks. What more can we do for learning? We are having very high creative students. Thanks God, I am having world best students. You did high creative research during your past time and it have proven that you can do anything, and this is just a beginning. We have created a student page where students can have their own creative research, can create their own research, own videos, own studies, and they can share with the whole world from our platform. So world is waiting for all my brilliant students. Get ready for the music. This year, we are going to meet in 43 cities around the country, even international spots. We are going to meet, we are going to learn via live 11 weeks workshops. We are going to learn through our quarterly updates, through results update, nifty updates and several things. This year will be important year and a breakout year for our students. We are going to learn from our students worldwide. Just download the app from Play Store, sign it up, call to our team for activation and hook on. Your world is waiting. No problem can stop us moving ahead. We are going to shine day by day in every way. We are getting better and lots of love for my whole family.